Long ago, hidden inside a magical book, there was a village full of secrets. Breakfast is almost ready. Daniel, Lily, wake up!
I'm here, Mom! The pancake smells so good!
Good morning, my love. Go wake your brother. Daniel, time to get up, sweetie. Time for breakfast. 5 more minutes.
You always say that.
The pancakes are disappearing! I'm awake!
Hurry, Daniel, before they're all gone. Lily's mother happily opens the fridge. She takes out the milk and pours it into a glass.
Thank you, Mommy!
Good morning, explorers.
These pancakes are amazing.
Don't eat them all. Save some for everyone.
No promises.
I saw that pancake first.
Too slow, Daniel.
Looks like Lily wins is the better idea.
Fine, but only a tiny piece.
Who wants to see something interesting?
Me too.
Then follow me to the attic.
Where are we going? Dad, what's inside?
You'll see.
I can't wait!
Stay close, everyone.
I've never seen this before.
Wow! Look at all these amazing things. This place is like a museum. Everything looks so old. Look! I found a captain's hat, and I found a telescope. This compass is beautiful.
Let's see what's in here. Oh.
Dad! Wait, what's that?
A secret door?
No way!
I don't believe this. Should we go inside?
Absolutely.
Be careful.
Stay together.
This tunnel never ends. Look at those strange symbols on the walls.
These markings are very old.
It's leading us somewhere. I hope it's treasure. A book symbol?
Interesting.
Should we open it?
Whoa.
Amazing! It's beautiful.
I've never seen anything like this.
It's opening by itself. Nobody touched it. This is impossible.
Stay back, everyone.
Whoa! Look at that dinosaur!
And a dragon.
These worlds look real.
What's happening?
The book is glowing!
Everyone stay together.
Hold on! I'm floating!
The book is pulling us.
Don't let go!
Stay close.
Whoa! It's amazing!
Where are we going?
Into the book!
We're inside the book. This place is real. Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
Something is hiding there.
Stay behind me.
Be careful. Why are you screaming?
Because you screamed first. My name is Hono. I'm Lily.
I'm Daniel. You're the new travelers.
Travelers, you are in danger.
Danger?
The jungle crystal has been stolen. Without it, this world will die. Ancient. What made this?
This is not an animal track.
The Shadow Hunter.
Then whose is it?
Adventure team, move out. Stay together.
Whoa, that's a huge waterfall!
The path goes across that bridge. Nobody has crossed it in years.
Then we'll be the first.
The bridge is breaking. He's flying!
Told you these ears are special.
Look! We found it!
That's the jungle crystal. It's beautiful.
Mission accomplished. Why is it glowing like that?
Something is wrong. The cave is shaking.
Everyone get back!
Look at the floor!
Who dares approach the jungle crystal? It's huge! That's the guardian? The protector of the jungle crystal.
Who dares enter my chamber? We mean no harm!
Will the Guardian help us or stop us? Find out in episode 2.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our next adventure!